Start also. Actually, we are in shell script. We started the morning also. One session we finished. Today we see enhancements. If you want to work with shell script, then we need to know different layers. Topmost layer is the user layer. I am giving the numbers here. The topmost layer is the number one. Is the user layer. Number two is the shell. Number three is the that number four is the edge level. I think I'm giving numbering only. This is four. This is three. This is two. This is one. Here, according to standard, we may divide into like this. Here, my intention n number of users may be there, n number of shells may be there, n number of kernels also may be there, but finally only one hardware, only one hardware. In general scenario, multiple users, multiple shells, one kernel, one hardware, one kernel, one hardware. Because of if you take multiple flavors are there, even Linux is there. Linux, Unix, Unix, Ubuntu, Ubuntu, CentOS, CentOS. Anyone tell me? Any other OS? Linux, Ubuntu, even Red Hat, Red Hat, Fedora, Fedora. Think Fedora, Fedora. Got it or not? Like that. Multiple OS flavors are there. On each OS flavor, one kernel will be there. Multiple shells may be available. Multiple shells may be available. In this scenario, anybody facing any difficulty, tell me. If no, we'll move to how to see the shell. What is the default shell? What are the types of shells? We will discuss. Now, AWS having default default bash. Default is bash. BASH. BSS means bar again shell. Before bash in 1960s, they developed SH only. They developed SH. This means shell. This means born again shell. First, we'll try to understand what having by default. Now just enter it. It is time for. I think am I audible, right? I'm not getting any response from your side. That's what I'm saying. Am I audible or not?
Yes, sir, audible, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Good. I think disconnected and I think reconnected. Even Manjanath also disconnected. Yes. Siva, good evening. Yes. And now see here, theory what says you want to see different types of shells. What is the default shell here? C. Just you want to get it. ECHO echo dollar sign echo dollar sign zero echo dollar sign zero. What it is provided? User bin bash. What is the default shell here? Please respond. What is the default shell here? Bash is
Bash.
the default. In the same way, you want to get some other way, echo, just you go for dollar sign. You need to go, this is the variable name, default variable, predefined variable. SHEL shell. Again, what shell it is having? Bash. Why? This is the latest one. Born again shell. This is the latest one. Born again shell. In the same way, you want to see all the shells. What are the AWS supported? AWS supporting shells. You know, ls or cat slash etc slash shell shells. Now something goes wrong. Shell or shells. No, not supporting. We'll check it why it is not supported. Now, just you go for now. What is the command here? See, etc shells only, right? I think am I missing anything? Am I missing anything? I think it is right one only, right? Oh,
Yes,
I
sir. Yes, yes, yes.
wait. I didn't connect here. I didn't connect here properly. That is the problem. Anyway, those are getting, but now it is connected properly. Sudo hyphen I. Control here. Now tell me cat slash etc slash shells. Shells. Now check it here. These are the different types of shells. At least try to respond. SH means shell.
Sure.
Next, bash, Same thing they given in different way. Again, same thing, different way.
Yes.
Here is she shell, she shell, she shell, T shell, T shell. These are the different types of shells. Not only these, other types also I have. Other types also having. Quickly we'll go for the all those types. How do we go for quick way? Just I am going to here. Now see here different types of names. Quick guidance. What is the try to read only headlines? Born shell,
Born, sir.
born shell. Next we go for the
Bash,
bash
sir.
shell. Corn shell means K shell,
Corn.
KSH. CSS means C shell.
Sure.
TSS means
T, sir.
TSS means in the same way G shell. Got it or not? Like that, multiple. Even though multiple are there, AWS supporting maybe one or two less, right? One or two names are not available. Check it. Which names is not available? Which names is not available? T is there. I think G shell is not there. Check it.
Yes,
G
sir.
shell
T,
is
sir.
not there. K shell is not there. Here, even though there also we are having maybe 5 to 6 names in real time, maybe more than maybe 10, 20 is there, more than 10 is there. But which is popular? Those popular shells only they added. Popular shells only they add. But 99%, you may say 100%, we may use. We in the sense industry use bash only. Industry use bash only. The name itself, born again shell. What is the advantage here? Performance is improved. Performance is improved. They rewritten the code, they implemented this one. I hope you got the clarity. I hope you got the clarity. How to see the shell means by using echo command, dollar sign zero one way, dollar sign zero one way. Second way is tell me again echo. We need environmental variable. See, simply I'm giving env. What happened? Tell me. I think it's not displaying. Not displayed. I may go for env. Okay, echo automatically will get right. Env, right? Why not? Now check it. Previous also I given same thing. Maybe something goes wrong. Env, spelling mistake. Env, right? Check it here. Environmental variable. Environmental variable means even Windows. We may set right. We may set in the same way. Here also environmental variables are there. Somewhere shell is there. Check it. Where shell is there? Where is shell? Check it here. See, observe here, shell is there or not?
Is
Even
this?
somewhere username is also there. User. Just you go and search here. Maybe alphabetical order may be there. Where is
User
user?
root.
Root. User root. Because of we are in root, right? Because of we are in root. Maybe I may go and exit here, check it. I'm in again I may go for ENV. This is small variance is there. Again, you may check it. What is the user here? See, environmental variable or user specific. For user specific, some environmental variable are global. Global means very clear. Global means here see, here also shell is there. Check it. Here also shell is there. Here also same thing, right? This is the common for all. Common for all. But user is different, right? For each time, we change the user name. You know, here one more user is there. A user may be there right here. A, you know, SU hyphen. A already we know, right? There, what is the password? A we know. There also we can go for ENB. See, here also is there. Username is A. Username is A. I hope you understood. I hope you understood. Now, our intention is okay. Now, even you can see the shell in other way also. You know, now I go for sudo hyphen I, just A. Now tell me, I want to go for cat slash etc slash pass password. If I go for password, generally we are going for password or we are going for users. Please respond here. Where we are viewing users only. We are using users only. Even you can see passwords also. Even you can see slash etc. I think what is the name? etc passwords or some name is there, some name is there, seeing passwords only, separate folder is there. Seeing passwords only, we can see the passwords. I'll tell you, we can see the passwords. Maybe here PASS double jodi. Here finally observe what it is there. What does it mean? This A user is interacting with which shell? Bash only. This is the simple. What is bash? I am giving concluding. I am concluding answer. What is bash or sh? Is the command interpreter. Interpreter. What is the meaning of interpretation? Execution. Interpretation means execution. See, you may ask me, really, is it executing or not? How can we check it? How can we check it? Try to understand here. Control here. I'm giving date command. Date is executed or not? Yes, date is executed. Suppose I am giving DAET. DAET. It won't execute. What it is saying? Bash. Bash is checking internally. Which one? DAET. A. Bash is telling, hey, such command not found. Such command not found. Who is telling? Who is telling? Bash is telling. I hope you got the clarity or not. Same thing, I may work in another way. Please observe here. BASH bash hyphen C DAT date. Now check it here. Bash is the command interpreter. Bash is the command interpreter. Taking the command. What is the command? Date is the command. It represents what? Hyphen C represent. Hyphen C represent. Taking an argument. What is the argument? String as an argument. Like what? Like what? Please respond here. Like what? Like a command. Like a command. You may ask me. Without C, it will execute. It won't work. It won't work. See, now I am going another way. See, hyphen C. What is the command? ls hyphen ltr. These are the arguments. ls hyphen is there, right? ls hyphen ltr. Are you understanding or not? I hope you got the clarity. The purpose of bash. The purpose of bash. But in sometimes we may write like this. We may write like this. Check it here. Slash bin slash bash hyphen c data. Maybe in future, maybe those who learn Kubernetes, the same command we may use. We may use in Kubernetes command colon square bracket. Within that, Within that slash bin slash bash. After that, we make you just date like that. It will work. It will work in that. Maybe here base is what? It is the Linux command is the base. If you know here, if you are strong here, there our concept is very simple. There our concept is very simple. Now till now clear, I think, right? Till now clear, I think. Now I am moving to another terms. To check the available shells already you know, right? Already you know. We have seen. What is shell script? Okay. What is shebang and first script? You know till now what is shell script? Shell script. What is shell script? Set of commands and applying language features is nothing but shell script. We are adding set of commands. For those commands, we are adding which one? Language feature is nothing but shell script. What is shebang? Indirectly, already we know. But what does it mean in the sense? Observe carefully. I am trying to give with examples. Here is sudo vi, maybe test dot sh. Here sh is mandatory or optional. Many times I told SH is mandatory or optional. We'll see with example. Test.sh. I'm trying to execute date command. I'm trying to execute date command. I'm trying to execute calendar command. This is my wish. This is my wish. Which shall will execute here? Which shall will execute this? Anyone respond? Which shall will execute these commands? These two commands? Anyone respond? By default shell is what? What is the default shell? Bash
Bash.
only, right?
Bash shell.
Bash bash dot slash test dot sh is the general executed, right? I mean, I don't want to bash. I want to work with sh. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. Now my intention, here I am not specifying. Here I don't want to specify. Here I don't want to specify. Whenever if I give this one, internally it will check, it will take sh. That is my intention. Internally you will go and take specific shell. For that what I may do? There v bash, not bash, vi, just insert, enter, exclamation, it is the hash, exclamation mark, slash bin, slash sh, slash bin, slash sh. Even we can combine also. Both are valid. Even we can combine also, but I am not combining. Just escape, shift colon, x. Now tell me what is my intention. See ls-l test.sh. Observe here. Read permission is there. Write permission is there. If you want to execute a file, which permission is mandatory? Anyone respond? Which permission is mandatory?
Execution.
How can we set execute permission for this file?
Wait
chmod
now.
change mode u plus
Plus
x.
X.
X for which file? Test.sh. We know it, right? We know it. Now see, even color will be changed. Even previous color is what? I think which color this is. Till now we don't know color, right? See, now here color is there. Which color is there? White color is there. We'll check it. ls hyphen. What is that I given? ls hyphen here. Maybe test.sh. Even say which color? Which color? In someone asked me, why this color is there in my system? Why
Green.
this color is there? If you apply executable permission, the file color will be changed. If you apply executable permission, automatically, what it will do? It will modify the green color. I think you got the clarity. Now I want to execute dot slash. What is the file name? Test.sh. Is it executing or not? Which shell is executed these two commands? Now respond. Which shell is executed these two commands? Now sh.
Yes,
Internally,
H.
sh is executed. This is not the external thing. No need to check about. But some people, some companies may follow specific shell. There we specify the shell. We specify the shell. For example, I may go with maybe vi test.py is the Python program, right? Test.py. Anyone tell me one simple command for Python program? One simple command, maybe a is equal to a is equal to a is equal to input of enter a value. Now just b is equal to input of enter b value. Now just c is equal to a plus b. Then after that print just double quotation result colon. Just I need to apply comma c as you comma c. I'm taking like this. What happens? We'll check. If anything goes wrong, I'll try to change the code. Now shift colon x. Here also we can run it. How to run it? Now we need to check it which Python in my system. Which Python is there? Which Python is there? Is it showing anything? Is it showing anything? Which Python? Maybe I may give capital P. Which Python is showing or not? User pin which no Python in. No Python in. I think Python default will be there. Here is a Python 3 Python hyphen version. Python is not there. Okay. I may go with M install 3 and Python 3. Okay. Otherwise, I may check in another which Python 3. That is the good way to search. Python 3 is there or not there? No Python 3, right? It is giving clear indication for us. It is giving clear indication for us. Now my intention, M install. It is the py Python 3. M install Python 3. What it is saying? Nothing to do. Complete. Dependencies resolved. What it is saying? M install Python 3. Python 3 already installed. It is saying. Already saying. Python 3. Python 3, I think must be there version DER. No, it is not saying anything. Maybe hyphen. Yes, it is there, right? Check it here. Already there. Python 3.9.16. Now see, I may go with Python, Python, Python 3. Python 3. What is your file name? Test.py, right? Test.py. Now you check it what happening. Asking a value, right? 10. Asking a value 20. Am I getting 10, 20? I think. So there is it the right output or wrong output? Is the concatenation, right? Concatenation.
Yes,
I want to get 30. Tell me the small modification. Vi. Now test.py. Test.py. Now here I need to apply small modification.
Space.
Here is observe. Just int. I am converting like an integer, Sudesh.
Okay.
Converting like a numeric type. By default, Python knows only string. Python doesn't know numeric. Where we specified, hey, I am not a string, I am a numeric. Now, even now you may ask, now which shell wants to execute? Now observe, again, hash, exclamation mark, now /bin /py and Python 3. This is the thing you are specifying. I hope are understanding which Python 3 needs to execute this. Will be execute. Shift colon X. Now I'll try. Maybe again I go for. I need to give executable permission, right? Test.py may not there. ls-l. Test.py check it. Test.py check it. Is there executable permission? No, right? I need to specify.
Yes.
chmod. What is that? User plus x for on which
Yes.
file? Test.py. Now it is okay. Now I need to check. Directly I am checking. Maybe possible or not, we'll check it. Test dot people. Now is it executing or not? Actually, without specifying which shell means which. Here is the PVM. Even PVM, Python Virtual Machine, PVM. So in Java, JVM, Java Virtual Machine. I'm giving 1, 2, 3. I'm giving 3, 2, 1. Now you may get 4, 4, 4, right? See, am I getting 4, 4, 4 or not? I hope you understood. I hope you
Yes.
understood. Here, don't think about only SS. Don't think about only bash. Only bash. Even we can specify other shells also, just like Python shell in the Java shell, like that. Anyone or anything we can specify like a shebang, like a shebang. Shebang means that script is executed by which shell we are specifying at the beginning is nothing but shebang. Shebang means Sheba came from C sharp. C sharp, right? C sharp. From that, they took this the exclamation mark. They specified the name Shebang or Shebang. Shebang or Shebang. Okay. I hope you got the clarity, right? I see the technical word Shebang and first script. Already explain how to apply first script. No, in this way we can execute. In this way we can execute. Even importance of Shebang. See, by using Shebang, we can specify interpreter which is responsible to execute the script. That means what I specify in general. Which interpreter wants to execute a script? We are specifying with alpha. We see sharp, C sharp, right? From C sharp, they took sharp. After that, exclamation mark is nothing but bang. Both if you combine it, shebang or shebang. Shebang or shebang. With the space we can specify. Without space also we can specify. Here see user bin Python 3. User bin Python 3. Even we can see this Python 3. Which Python 3? Actually we may get which PYTHON 3. We may get full-fledged answer. Now see, I think everybody understood, right? You want to specify proper way. Even if you remove user bin, it won't work. Please remember, is the full path. You must specify at least two layers, two levels from right to left. You must specify at least two levels. Then only it will work. One level won't work. One level won't work. Please remember. I hope you got the clarity, I think. Write a Python already written. Maybe this is different example. Different example. You know this. Consider the following script. Consider the following script. Now write and run shell script that prints current system date and time. I think everybody know, right? Current system date. I want to print only date. I don't want time. See, if I use date command, what it will print? Tell me. Date as well as time also printing. Time
Time.
also. Only date. Anyone tell me command? Date plus percentile capital D. This one I want to print using shell script. This one. Even I want to get okay current date is see echo current current date is after that I want to get it. After that I want to get it. The exclamation. What is that? Dollar sign. Dollar sign. What I want to specify here? What a date plus percentage
D.
capital D. I hope you understood. Is the way we can specify. Now, even I am not getting proper date, right? Something missing. Why it is missing? Check it and tell me. Current date is echo is good only, right? Echo is good, but why it is missing? I think something goes wrong. Why? I think I am not wrong. I think I am not wrong. Date extra operand percentile space is there. Check it. I given one more space, Sudhir. Now we got it right.
Space
Now
is
we
no
got it.
sir. Okay. Okay. Sir.
Now see, a small variance is there. I think somewhere I explained. After echo, don't give single quotation. If you give a single quotation, command substitution won't work. Command substitution won't work. Check it now. Is it working or not?
Not working.
Command
Sir.
substitution won't work. But if you
Yes.
remove even quotation, it will work. Even
Yes.
remove quotation, it will work. But the best way is maybe those who know
Double
programming
quotation.
languages. For those I am giving like this. See, try to understand. Those who know programming language, they will follow like this. They will follow like this. Now you got it. But shell script, even command also we can specify within double quotation. Command also we can specify within double quotation. Even one more thing, I may try with double time double quotation. Is it working or not? Even three times also will work. Three times also will work. Even we'll check it fourth time also. Even fourth time, I may try for fourth. Is it working or not? This is the multiple times we are giving. One time is sufficient. One time is sufficient. Remaining times are not needed. But Python having three double quotation, three single quotation having. In Python, same Python and shell may be very nearer, very near. That's why in interview they are asking, this is the way they are asking. Do you know scripting languages? Your answer should be, I know shell, I know PowerShell, PowerShell, even you may tell, I know Python, Pyth, Python, and you may tell GRO, maybe Groovy. GRO. Groovy is nothing but Java. Groovy is not a different one. Groovy is nothing but core Java. Core Java. Even some people may feel I am expert in Groovy. Even they don't know Groovy, they will tell. Okay? Groovy is, if you know core Java, then only you know Groovy. Don't think about even what is that? Our Jenkins. Jenkins internally following Groovy script. But whatever you are learning in Jenkins, that is not full-fledged Groovy. That is not full-fledged Groovy. But those who know Jenkins minimum, they will tell I know Groovy. Okay, no problem. But Shell, PowerShell, and Python. And suppose you want to use PowerShell, assume you want to print date and time on PowerShell, date and time, Windows key or CMD. And now tell me, suppose I want to print date here, date is there. Get it or not? I want to print time. I want to print both date and time here. Echo, okay. Current date is, you must use percentile symbol, then date command, percentile. Now check it, what happening? Is it printing or not? And the time also I want to print. And the time is percentile, time, again percentile. This is the way we can apply. See, current date is, even no need to give quotations. No need to give quotations. If I give quotations, it is expecting again same quotation. Now check it here. Current date is and the time is, both are printing or not. But compared to shell script, PowerShell is somewhat difficult. PowerShell is somewhat difficult. Why? PowerShell is different syntax will follow. But Linux, Python, maybe Groovy following, maybe general programming skills. Those who know, they can easily implement. Now, till now clear, I think, right? Till now clear, I think.
Yes,
You
sir.
may you may stop me because of this is the coding feature, right? Knowingly, unknowingly, I may go some little bit speed because of I know language features very well. That's why maybe I know because of student level, maybe some other level. That's why I may go with 90% slowly. If anytime, anywhere, if I go somewhat faster, you may tell. See, internally path is there, right? Even see in PowerShell also, even check it PATH path. See, all the in the environmental variable we may set at paths, right? These paths in the same way. Where is that? In Linux also in Linux. But how can we see is echo dollar sign. This is the way you try to learn it. PATH. See, path is there. Path is there. Maybe local bin uh, colon. Wherever colon is there is the separator. Colon means this is the separator here. User local bin, user bin, user bin, maybe bin bash like that. It is taken. This is the what is that path of the what about maybe Linux environmental variables path. Now you know it. Now I don't go with the PowerShell. I may go with only Bash related things. Now you know it. Now check something. I think I said right. This one you want to implement with. This one you want to implement with. Which one? Shell script. Shell script. That is our intention, right? Now sudo va maybe test date only date test date dot sh. Now guide me. How can I get it with? How can I get it with? First, I need to display. Display means echo here also echo, right? Here also insert echo echo echo. The current the current date is the current date is. I am printing
Date.
again dollar sign. Same concept will not modify. Here is DATA date. After that, you must give space, then plus, then percentage. What is the letter here? Capital D. If you give small d, what it will print? Anyone tell me? Only day will print. Only day will print.
Only development.
Okay, got it. Just you need to go. Now what I need to escape it? Shift colon X. Now check it. You need to provide permission. Otherwise, simply use bash dot slash test date dot sh. See, are you getting or not? The current date. I applied, I think, small d, right? I
Yes,
applied
that's why
small d.
only
That's why
test.
our intention is capital D. Our intention is capital D. Where is insert? I didn't use date plus percentile capital D. Now bracket close with the double quotation. Escape shift colon X lower x small x. I think is it clear? Bash. Am I getting right? In the same way, time for time, the current time is. You tell me, you guide me. I don't know, assume. I forgot. You may tell me. Procedure. Insert, insert, echo. The current time is. Please respond. Dollar sign with the command substitution. Date plus
Percent. Percent.
percentile.
T.
Capital T. You need to specify escape column X. Then just try to execute. See, current time is also printing. Current time is also printing. Now I hope you are proper. Setting the path permanently in user level. No need to specify here. No need to specify here. It is not a local system. It is cloud, right? Don't go for that. Now shell variables. I said variables. Somewhere I said you may go for local variables, even you can go for environmental variables. All environmental variables are predefined. All environmental variables are generally predefined. If you want to apply variable names should be written in uppercase only, not in lowercase. But people are writing, even I can also write it. See, small a is equal to 10. Is it valid? Yes, it is valid. B is equal to 20. Yes, it is valid. But what is the good procedure? Capital letters giving industry following capital letter naming convention for variables. I said somewhere you want to add these two. What is the procedure? What is the procedure? You go dollar sign square bracket of A plus B. Simply you may get the output. Am I getting or not? Yes. This is the way we can apply it. This is the way we can apply it. Somewhere environmental labor just already explained ENV. You may get it. They may given different how to change prompt. See, here is the PS1. PS1. See, internally PS1 environment variable is responsible to display. Even PS means process status. Process status. You may consider as a prompt also, but PS means process status one. You need to specify some name. Now tell me, capital P, capital S1 is equal to I need to specify capital Rama or capital Rama is equal to capital Rama. I need to go double quotation, capital Rama. Then after that dollar sign I want it. Now just I go. Yes. Now see from here after you make it like this. You make it Like this is the prompt. This is the prompt. We can set like this. If you want it, you can set. Maybe sometimes if you see common path, if you want to change it, you can change. This path is applicable only for this session. You check it here. I'm exiting from this. I may re-enter. Sudo hyphen I prompt will not. Maybe general prompt. Why I given cat small a. No, I need to go to root. Now see here. Now see here. Once you close your session, automatically you may get your default prompt. This is the default prompt. If you want to specify, you can specify it. That is applicable for that session only. That session only. Session means just I enter. Is that session is closed. Again re-enter. Again re-enter. Sudo I from user to sudo, I am entering. From user to sudo. Is it entered or not? Yes, it is entered. CLG clear. Now check it. Demo script to use some environmental variables. You know this, right? How to get username, how to get home directory, how to get shell. I think this one you know, right? How to get path. Simply those environmental variable name. Before that, what we are using? Dollar sign. What does it mean? Is it what? What two types of substitutions I said? One is the command substitution. Second one is what? This is what? Variable substitution. Variable substitution. This is a predefined variable. This is also predefined variable. I hope you understood or not. Even I can write, see, your name is not there, right? Maybe I may provide look and feel for that. Name Rama or Lakshmi I am giving. You may feel like this. See, echo, your name, your name is dollar sign. Your feeling is what? Your feeling is what? Is the predefined variable, not a predefined variable. Not a pre. What is the predefined variables here? Just env here, whatever specified, this is the predefined like that. Predefined like. Got it or not? We will also set environmental variables, but here is no need because of it is the cloud based, right? Cloud based. I hope you understood. Now, user defined variable C, user based on our programming requirements, we can define our own variables also. How can I specify? Your guest is Dhoni, we given. That one we printed. That one we printed. I hope you got it. Rules to define variables. We can, the first letter must be a character. At middle, we can use any one. Even we should not use special character. We should not use special characters. Underscore is valid. Underscore is valid. Underscore is valid. See, simple example. A is equal to 100. Here, try to understand how to define read-only variable. How to define read-only. What is the problem for in general variable? See, capital A is equal to 10. Observe carefully. Again, capital A is equal to 20. Again, capital A is equal to 30. What was the problem here? Please respond. According to diagrammatic representation, I am going. This is the memory location. Is the memory location. In that memory location, what is the name of the variable? Capital A. At very first instance means first glance. 10 is there. Okay, good. After that, after some time, what I may assign it is 20. In place of 10, I am replacing with 10 is replaced with what? 20.
20.
Now I may apply 30. I may given 30. Wherever 20 is there, there 30 is there. Don't think otherwise. Here, maybe if I write it 20 on top of 10 means maybe look and feel is bad. That's what I am writing. Finally, how many values are there? Only one value. What is the latest one? 30 is
30.
there. You may check it. You may check it. You know, echo. How to display this? Anyone tell me? How to display this?
$A.
Dollar, dollar, A. But some people may give like this. If I say even you said capital A, your feeling is capital A. I given small a. I given small a. Really, small a contain value, any value? No, right? That's
No.
what. Nothing. Which is the proper case? Capital A is the proper case. Got it or not? Capital A is the proper case. Now, your feeling is once you set at 30, no one can change. No one can change. At that time, read only read only. What is the key naming convention? Lowercase or uppercase? Lowercase, read only. Letters are keywords are lowercase only. That's why read only, read only, read only. Just a capital A. Once I specified, if I trying to assign 40, it may give an error. Hey, you are not able to read only variable. Read only variable. This is read only variable. Read only variable. Got it or not? You can't do it. You can't change. Got it or not? Maybe see,
Got it.
I may try for this unset capital A. Now unset, you can't unset read only variables. Read only variables. You may ask me, how can we delete this? How can we delete this? Simply say exit and re-enter. Sudo hyphen I. This is A. Now check it. Now check it. Echo dollar sign capital A. What it is there? Nothing is there. That variable gone, even though that is read only variable gone or not?
Gone, sir.
Gone. Some people may ask me, I want to fix this variable. I want to fix this variable. We try for this export export capital A is equal to 100. Export capital A is equal to 100. I exported. What I may do? I may exit from this. I may exit from this. Now I may re-enter into sudo hyphen I. Now check it what happens. Echo dollar sign capital A. Am I getting? Not getting? Not getting. Actually, I need to get before getting. I'll do one small thing. I will do one small thing. What I may do? Sudo VI or VI sudo. VI sudo. Yes. In that VI sudo, or sudo erst etc. Okay, I'll try like this. And now you go for export capital A is equal to 100. I am fixing. Yes. Now tell me control O. After that enter. Control X. Control X. I exited properly or not? Maybe something goes wrong in that. Something goes wrong. Something goes wrong. That's why it is giving like that. Now enter, enter. What I may do? Again, I'll enter into that. Control C. Now VA sudo, VA sudo, VA sudo. Now I'm going to end. Is there or not? Check it. Not there, right? I go for sudo ers dot t. Sudo ers dot. Otherwise, I'll go some other way. Shift colon X. No need to this. No need to this. Control O. After that, enter. Control X. VA slash etc slash sudo sudo ers sudo ers. Yes, and sudo ers. Now check it here. Export already there. Check it somewhere. Somewhere the word export is there or not? Check it. Maybe someone may written somewhere export word. Export. Not here.
Not there, sir.
Where is that? There or
Not
not
there.
there?
Not there, sir.
Okay, anyway, we'll check it. We'll check it. Maybe possible. We'll try. Now export. Maybe some examples are there. Anyway, not there. Export. What I need to first insert. Check. First insert. Export. Export. Maybe name is equal to double quotation from escape shift colon X. What happened? Read only option is set. Okay, I know this. I know how to handle this. First insert. And now escape. Shift colon WQ exclamation. In this way you can manage. Actually X is right. W means right.
Yes.
W means right. After writing you need to quit. You need to quit. Okay, it is quitted. Now, first you need to, even previous one also may executed. Okay, we'll check it. First exit, then again re-enter. Re-enter means sudo hyphen I. Now, echo, what is the name I used? Dollar sign, name
Name.
I user, name.
Name.
We'll check. Really is there or not? I think not visible. We'll check it. Anyway, it is not supporting here. Some other way we need to apply. Here is the, here is the concept is that we'll come to variables. Three types of variables are there. One is the local variable. Second one is the user variable. Third one is the global variable or system variable. Global variable. See variable. See session scope, user scope, and system scope. Okay, directly coming to the user scope. Export, we mentioned right. Export, where we need to mention dot bash rc. I applied somewhere, right? I
Yes,
applied
sir.
somewhere.
Sudo
Yeah.
was uploaded.
We will try in this way. We will try in this. Now go to where? Go to here. Now check it ls first. Hyphen a. Every user having one dot bash rc. Here is there or not? Check it.
Is it
Dot bash.
starting? Starting.
Yes. Got it or not? Now vi dot bash rc. Dot bash rc. Yes, enter. Now here some examples are there. Maybe there. Check it. Export. Is there or not export? I said right somewhere
Yes,
export
sir.
is there.
Export is
Yeah.
there, sir.
At the end, you go to end. You go to end. Now you try it. Export export. There capital A is equal to 10 or 123 or 123. Now escape, shift colon X, shift colon X. Now you need to exit from this, again re-enter. Then only it will work. Now check it. Now check it. Echo. What is the variable name I used? Dollar sign. Capital A, right?
Yes,
Capital
sir.
A. Now am I getting or not? This is
Getting
the
it.
this is the user variable. Only root can access. Suppose I'm exiting, I'll try to access from a user. Not valid. See, check it. Echo dollar sign, capital A. It is invalid. Check it. If you want to get that, you need to apply for profiles or profile. I think check it sudo vi. First I need to go to sudo hyphen I, where I want to go. Cat, or maybe first check it cat slash etc slash pro file. This is the right path or not? I'm checking. Yes, this is the right path. And now what I may do? Vi slash etc slash pro file profile. Within that, go to at the end. Go to end. Here, insert. You need to specify. Tell me export export. See, I am taking G capital A. That means global variable capital A. Global variable capital A. G capital A is equal to I am taking 420. Like that I am assigning export GA. Our convenience, I am giving small g capital A, small g capital escape shift colon X. We'll check it. Now I said right, you need to exit from here. After that, sudo hyphen I, enter it. Now anything goes wrong? Anything goes wrong? What it is saying? Sudo. Oh, I'm proper only. Now
Yes.
see echo dollar sign
Dollar
A,
sign.
already capital A, that already
Yes, sir.
mentioned. Now small
G.
g
Capital G.
GA. Now see, here I am getting. Now exit from here. Now see, echo dollar sign. What is that? Small g, capital A.
Capital
What
G.
is that? Now not getting, right? Not getting. But
Not
we
that.
need to get. We need to get. Profile concept only applied, but why it is not supporting? G. Capital G, capital A only applied, right? I applied profile only. We'll check it. Already there, I think. My prop syntax is correct or not? See, sudo gedit. I applied in profile only, right? Profile. See, try to read. If the variable available for all users and for all sessions, such type of variables are said to be in system scope, where you need to specify. You need to specify. You need to specify within etc within profile file. But to edit this file, compulsory root permission must be required. Okay, that is good. That is good. I will try to specify one more variable. One more variable. Why it is going wrong? Wait, here actually I'm in user here, right? Please observe here. Sudo vi slash etc slash profile file. Now this is the right term. Now coming to here, I'm using one more variable export export maybe g capital P is equal to 520. 520. This is my wish. Escape, shift colon X. Good. Now, user A wants to use first exit. Again entering into SU hyphen A. Now A, tell me ECHO echo dollar sign, right apply GB, right? G capital B.
The B.
Now I got it right. In the same way,
Yes.
SU hyphen B, user B user. And now check it. Same look and feel, echo, dollar sign, GB, right? GB. Am I getting or not? In the same way, you check it for GA. Is it working or not? GA. It needs to work actually. Yes, I am getting. But we'll try for root user.
Yes.
Now both are getting right. Both users are getting. Both
Yeah,
users are
getting.
getting valid. But for root user, you need to check it. I think on root it didn't work. Sudo su sudo hyphen I. We'll try for that. Echo dollar sign G capital A. Yes. Echo dollar sign G capital P. Yes, working right. In previous scenario, I think I did a small mistake. If it is, now I am concluding simple way. Very simple conclusion. This is very, very important. Try to understand. Three types of variables are there. Are you agree with me or not? Three types of variables.
Yes.
Three types of, can you guess it? First one is the session scope. Session scope. Session scope. Second one is user scope. Third one is system scope. System scope. How can you know? If it is session scope, within a prompt will work. PROMPT. Prompt in the sense for having terminal like this, maybe dollar sign or maybe hash is there. You know it. Once you close this, it won't work. That is the session scope. That is the session scope. I hope everybody understood or not. Session scope means opening a terminal. This is the open terminal. Exit. Session is closed. This is the different session. One more user, right? For even same user, I entered, I exit from here. My session is closed. Again re-entering SU hyphen SU hyphen A. This is the new session. For me, new session. Is it clear or not? This is the session scope. Now I
Yes.
go for user scope. User scope means specific user. Maybe user A is there, maybe user B is there, maybe user C is there. I specified dot bash rc. How to enter into dot bash rc? VA space dot bash rc. Within that, I'm applying export export, maybe one variable name, capital A is equal to maybe 123. This variable is accessible only for A user.
Particular user.
B never use, C never use. Not possible to access. Only for part of the user. Only belongs to specific user is nothing but user scope. Now this variable will be accessed by all the users at that time I may go for copy, control C, where I need to mention in session scope. That is the system scope. That is the system scope. In system scope, how can I
Profile.
mention VI is
Profile.
response slash etc
This is profile.
etc slash profile profile.
File.
Yes. Don't apply yes. There we are mentioning control V.
Control.
Even though you specify like this, you must exit and re-enter. Then only. Once
Yes,
you
sir.
exit and re-enter, then only it will work. Otherwise it won't work. Your feeling is okay, something goes wrong. Even for me also similar type we applied. That's why we felt something wrong, but not wrong. We applied wrong. Now tell me. Now tell me. I think knowingly, unknowingly, we complete nearly 10 pages. Nearly 10 pages. Because
Yes,
of
sir.
shell script, it's very easy. Tomorrow, even this one also completed. Observe variable substitution, command substitution. Knowingly,
Substitution.
unknowingly, we completed
Complete.
20s.
This also.
Now we go for command substitution means dollar with open brace, closing brace,
Open
right?
braces. Yes, sir.
Yeah, good.
Without
Now,
braces is
mm,
none.
command line arguments. Even this is also very simple. Within 5 minutes, I may complete this. Maybe so many arguments are there. Maybe tomorrow. First, I'll start today. Tomorrow we may come. Tomorrow we may complete. Now see here. What is the advantage of command line arguments? Passing parameters. See simple one. What is that? I need to go for CAL calendar. You know, right? Calendar command. For
Can
calendar command, we need to provide Rama. It may work or not. Tell me.
not work, sir.
Not work. It may give exit code. How can I know? See, echo, dollar sign, echo, dollar sign, question mark, echo, dollar sign, question mark. If exit code is 0, previous command executed properly. If exit code is other than 0, previous command is wrong. See, what is the exit code here? So
One.
something goes wrong.
Yes.
See, I am applying calendar. It is executed properly, right?
Correct, sir.
Now check the exit code
0.
0. If exit code 0, everything fine. If exit code non-zero, something goes wrong. What are the exit codes? 0 to 0 to 255. Even sometimes 256 also. But anyway, we think either 255 or 2. System will show you clearly. System will show you the range of exit codes. Anyway, 0 to 256. From 1 to 255 or 1 to 256, all are wrong codes only. All are wrong codes only. They specified like that. We'll see why they specified in future. We'll discuss. Now my intention is I'm giving one file name vi read.sh. I want to read like this 10. I want to read 20. This is my intention. With with script. This is script, right? Script requires how many arguments? Two
2
arguments.
arguments.
This is our expectation. This is our expectation. Shall we go for this? Now, suppose you want to apply, you need to write a script, right? Yes, VA read.sh. Now, our intention is insert. See, A is equal to dollar sign 1. B is equal to dollar sign 2. What does it mean? Whatever the argument you are giving, it treated as $1 first argument. It is treated as second argument. We are specifying only 2, right? That is our intention. That is our intention. After this, echo your first argument. First argument is, now guide me, A, right? $A. Why $A? Anyone respond? That is the variable. In
Very.
the same way, echo your
Second argument.
second argument is, maybe spelling mistake or otherwise is colon dollar
B.
b. Now echo, you may ask me, sir, I want to see my file name. Your file name, your file name is, say, dollar sign, directly I may go with 0. If I specify 0, $0, first argument. $1, this is the 0. Actually, this is the file name. $0 represents file name. $0 represents file name. You want to display all the things at a time, all the things. Echo, okay, all the arguments, argument, arguments. How to specify $sign, at the rate, $sign at the rate. This is one way. Same concept. Echo all the arguments. There also $sign star is there. Star is also same purpose, but I'll try to clarify maybe tomorrow session. Shift colons. Now check it here. Now I'm using bash, you know it. Dot, you know it. Read dot sh. I'm giving 1020. Check it here. What happening? Your first argument 10 only, right? This is our wish, right? 10. Your second argument 20.
20.
Our file name is, what is our file name?
Read.sh.
Read.sh. All the arguments. What are the arguments? 1020.
1020.
Again, all the arguments 1020. Up to this clear, right? Up to this
Yes, sir.
clear. Remaining things, please try to practice. Remaining things we'll discuss tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow morning, as usual. At what time? 6 to 7 or 7 to 8? 7 to 8, right?
Yes, sir.
7
Morning
to
78.
morning 7 to 8. As usual, class will be there. Okay.
Okay,
If
sir.
any
Okay,
doubt
sir.
is there, ask me. Otherwise, we can wind the session.
Okay, sir.
Okay, good. Recording.